it's working.
You're in the middle of a parkour.
What's up, YouTubers? It's Beyblade Explosion. Today I'm going to doing a so epic dancing video at Target. Mom, it's working, by the way.
Go to the side, please.
Now wait, we can't do it in the car. All right, so yeah, we're going to Target. Like I said,
What did you do over there?
you probably saw my unboxing video of Nightmare Rex and Evil Corvax. I didn't do the battle with them yet, but I'm gonna upload that later. I'll upload that battle later, so it's gonna be a little late. I did this like straight after that, like 30 minutes ago, like I said. Actually, I think it was like 50. I think it was like 50. I don't know. But since we're going to Target, nobody really does stuff anymore, like I said. So I just had to pretend to play a video game. All I had to do is pretend to play a video game like I did, and I didn't really, you didn't see that, but I just had to pretend to play a video game while I was carrying my iPod Touch around. I am using my iPod Touch, by the way, today. My price is $12. If the Poison Fury Showdown set's here, the double pack, Mom's gonna get it, and I'll just play that. Put that medicine out. Now I start pretending to play a video game, ready, set, and go. Sorry if my fingers are getting in the way. Sorry if my fingers are getting in the way, guys, but, you know, just 1 minute, 1:46, I mean, 1:48 is fine. Okay, so we're going. Are you still mad? Nah, not an answer. Yeah, that means she's mad, and she's not mad. She's mad. Okay, so sorry. No screams about my brother. No screams about my brother. He's just really loud. People, whoa! Actually, alright, so guys, I'm going to be going straight to Beyblades. My sister's going to be getting something, I think, yeah. I'm going to be getting something too. But if the Poison Fury Showdown set isn't here, I'm going to get a single. I'm going to get a single pack. But, you know, all I do is focus on this and I can video game now. So I might be quiet for a sec. But like I said, using my iPod Touch. This one. Alright, so we're at the tool section. You can tell. Girl stuff, we gotta get to the boys. My sister's gonna be stopping here, so we don't have to worry about all that other stuff. Okay, so let me see if I can find this section. Oh, there they are. I see it. Down, Bob. Okay. Sorry, that was just my mom. Okay, let me see. Guys, okay, so here we are at the Beyblade section. So here are the Beyblades. So they look really cool. Oh, Ultra Laser. But I'm not gonna get that. Check it. Here, see, there's a double pack. So what? No, I've got all of that. Okay. Oh yeah. Fatal boy is Deva. Anyway. At first I thought I didn't even know what type he was at first. Now I kind of know. Okay, that was bad. Okay, that didn't suck. Okay. Where's this road down? Oh, I guess not here. Just wondering where that was. Last time, but okay. I can barely even find it. Oh yeah, that was a energy drain. I have no idea. I have no idea who the older is.
Andrew, look.
Yeah, I know.
I could race this down the hall. Look. So we don't need an arena. No, you don't want to get that?
I need it. See, this is the Beyblade.
Ouch.
Whoa, sorry.
Yeah, but we don't need that. We can just do it right down our hallway.
I know, but this is guys, there's a boy here and his mom, but so just ignore that. And sorry if it's too quiet.
There's Spiral Fox. I know you don't have that.
I
Never heard of
know.
it.
There's one set that came with Spiral Fox. 12 plus 11.
All of those are there.
12 plus 11. What is 12 plus 11? It's going to be black for a second. What's 12 plus 11? Plus 3. 3. Oh yeah, I
Phantom Orion.
can only buy one Beyblade, guys. So,
You just found one?
yeah. Why do we? I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to be getting. Why is that open? So, Fox. Tornado. I might get another tornado. I don't know. I only have $12. Okay, you gotta be kidding me. No idea if I can get some. Let's see. Spiral Fox. Tornado Pegasus. I'm planning on get something like this. Wait, 8, 9, 10. 9 plus 11. Oh yeah, that's way too much. So I can only get one thing. I don't know, I might get Cyclodos, or I might get Tornado Destroyer, Tornado Pegasus, I don't know. No, but I cannot get a Baywalker actually. But still, let me check. Right now I know I'm getting. I'll get Cyclodos. I'm gonna get Cyclodos. Cyclodos. So yeah. If it took too long, sorry, but yeah, this is what I'm getting. Cyclodos. It's a stamina type, and yeah. I can battle this with my Phantom Orion. Sorry. Oh. No, wait, actually, I might get another Electro. Yep.
We're gonna go look over this Halloween costume.
Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I might get Electro still. Tornado. Or just a regular Beyblade and all pure top because I actually pretty much have like all of these double packs actually. I actually have all of Let's see as quick as. What the? Oh yeah, I know what that does. It doesn't make sense. Okay. So yeah. Alright, so now that I make it. I do not know. Like, I already have like all that. Can it come out with at least something new? I don't know. I might get a Beyblade. I might get a Beyblade. No, actually, since they're bigger than Beyblades, they are so expensive. Look at that though. $29. $2.99 plus tax. That would be weird, but still. I'm between Metal Fury, Stealth, Electro, or Tornado. I don't know. You know, there's only 3 packs of tornadoes anymore in this section. You know, Drago. Of course, I don't have enough money to buy the screen control stream top system. I really wanted the stream top system, but I've already got both of those teams. Alright, but still, I wouldn't even have enough money. Okay, so yeah. I might get a Stealth, I might get Electro, Middle Fury, or Tornado. That's all I can really get. But that's all I can get one of out of those because all this other stuff, this Target was pretty much like a bust because look at it, like I have all those double packs. I have all of them. Hello, I'm not done yet. Oh wait. Now I know. I totally know what I'm getting. I'm gonna get side quarters, like I said, standard type. So yeah, stay tuned for unboxing and see you guys later. Bye.